Standing at the center of every American success story, there's someone like Randy, a soon-to-be small business owner with a big idea and the dedication and drive to make it a reality. An important part of that reality is the sign that communicates to the community what a business has to offer, and of course, that we're open for business. Randy's Donuts needs a sign. A great sign begins with a great partner, someone who can help you find an eye-popping way to grab the public's attention. These partners are the experts at local sign and graphic shops. There, you'll explore all the options, like digital, or maybe something traditional, or even a little more modern. And if you aren't sure what zoning or local regulations will allow, the experts at the International Sign Association will help sort out the details. Behind the scenes, specialized suppliers have already developed and tested materials that ensure that the fabricators, welders, electricians, painters, and printers have everything they need to create the sign. So when the installers show up, everything goes smoothly. Signs mean business, because signs mean opportunity. Not just for Randy, but for every person with a dream of owning their own business. Explore how signs turn dreams into a successful reality.